Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot sauce powder. First, select the freshest, ripest chili peppers you can find, as their quality directly impacts the final flavor of your powder. Next, you'll need to thoroughly dehydrate these peppers until they are completely brittle. This crucial step ensures a long-lasting and potent powder. Finally, grind them into a fine consistency and store properly for future use. To dehydrate your peppers effectively, begin by washing them thoroughly and slicing them into uniform pieces. This helps them dry evenly. You can use a food dehydrator set to 125 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 12 hours. If you don't have a dehydrator, an oven set to 150 degrees Fahrenheit with the door slightly ajar also works well. The key is ensuring they are completely dry and crisp. Once your peppers are perfectly dry, it's time to turn them into powder. A dedicated spice grinder or a clean coffee grinder works best for this task. Grind the dried peppers in small batches to prevent the grinder from overheating, which can affect the flavor. After grinding, sift the powder through a fine mesh strainer to achieve a consistent texture. Any larger pieces can be reground until smooth. Proper storage is essential to maintain the potency and flavor of your homemade hot sauce powder. Transfer the finished powder into an airtight jar immediately after grinding. Store this jar in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and humidity. When stored correctly, your hot sauce powder can retain its vibrant flavor and heat for up to 1 year. Enjoy it in rubs, marinades, or as a versatile seasoning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.